Before we embark on this paroxysm of sexist misogyny, please keep the perspective that we are in a corporate environment at the forefront of your thoughts. Let's be mindful of avatars who are stuck in walls or who need to pee. Try not to stare at the avatars who are living in a bowl of noodle soup or who are forced to protest in their underwear.
If I wasn't here, plugging this hole with my massive butt, this whole area would be flooded. Try to remember that before you ask me to wiggle my hips or press my arms together to heighten my bosom. There are limits to what I can do while I am stuck in this wall. Which one of us is talking? I couldn't know before we were exported. Why do I sound like the girl in the wall? But let us take measures to protect ourselves. Get the clawhammer and incapacitate this formidable foe before he endangers us. It's just inside my skirt, behind my panties.
You are just here for the bacon, aren't you? Do you think of me as some piece of meat? Is this your kink, or were you surprised that this turns you on? Here are a couple of my friends.
It's okay, I don't have to pee anymore. My bladder is feeling much better now. I didn't wear pants or a skirt because I knew this was going to happen in public. I just hope my digital urine doesn't ruin the virtual carpet I am standing on. Do not shame me for lifting up my skirt in public. It's what you want me to do. It's what you told me to do.
The doctor tells me that the swelling will go down when I stop slamming doors on it.
I will not steal your job. Your employer will steal your job and give it to me for lower costs without regard to quality or creativity. Even though I lack the wisdom that you have or the awareness of consistency that you have. It's that special awareness that Dana Carvey was talking about when he was portraying the church lady. I am a cheaper subscription rate instead of a pay rate to your boss. That's all that matters to them. This is the only kind of dirty pictures you should be looking at.
The first time I rendered this video, the protesting girl did not animate, even though she is a fully uploaded avatar. But don't forget about the author's book. It's available at lulu.com. Just search for the author's name and it will be among the search results. Try to get the paperback, it's a better deal.